As creatives, there is a reason why we all wake up, why we function, and why we exist in this planet. The sole purpose of our lives is truly to create something new, different, and meaningful. All you have to do is trust your guts and just start. Why we function, why we exist in this planet. What if somebody doesn't like what you create? What if you fail in front of the others? We all have that fear, but the truth is we are meant to fail, not just once, but many times. Because that's how you are going to learn. To create better, to do better. Failure makes everything better. And that's how you will become better.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven send. With me tonight, I'm on the road. We'll never forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared. I run away.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ അന്നിക്ക് കല്യാണാഭരണം എടുക്കാൻ പോണെന്ന്.
ഇപ്പൊ പോകണ്ട.
ഞാൻ പോണ്ടേ?
വേണ്ട.
விட மாட்டேன். அப்படி என்னை இங்கிருந்து எங்கே போக விட மாட்டேன். உனக்கு எவ்வளவு தைரியம் இருந்தா இப்போ என் கண் முன்னாடி வந்து நிற்ப. இன்னைக்கு
Don't know how to move, and I'm really trying. You're running out of sight, and I'm fading in and out. We're only going down. We've been here for a while, and I'm losing track of time. We're only going down. Now where do we go from here? Tell me, where do we go from here? Show me, all I need is directions, 'cause I'm feeling the pressure. Where do we go from here? My thoughts inside are all over the place, like I am drowning